So what is Burp? Burp Suite is a collection of tightly integrated tools that allow for effective pen testing of modern day web applications. You can do automated testing or manual testing with this tool, and it is a software written in Java, and it can run on Windows, Linux and Mac. So you can get more details about the product at that link that's given, which is portswigger.net. And they have two different versions. One is free and other one is commercial version. The commercial version is around $350. And if you're considering web application pen testing for a career, I strongly recommend buying a professional version and learning it. Like we saw in the previous slide, Burp Suite is a collection of different tools. So the proxy is the first tool that's included, and it is used to look at the HTTP request and HTTP response messages. And the repeater is the second tool, which is used to repeat one request at a time. So basically, if you go to a browser, type in an URL and click go button, and you can pretty much simulate the same feature in the repeater, so you can save a lot of time, so you don't have to go to the web server. You can also easily manipulate values using this repeater tool. So the third one is intruder. So intruder is if you want to brute force a certain parameters within HTTP request, you can use the intruder tool. Intruder is one of the most powerful tool within Burp. You can find a lot of security issues by fuzzing a lot of different parameters. This is how security researchers identify issues like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and so forth. And we'll be looking at a lot of demos in our course in the later on sections. Comparer is a tool to compare two different HTTP packets. You can compare a request packet or a response packet. And it is pretty much similar to a file def command. And decoder. So it has a lightweight decoder included within Burp. So basically, if you have some kind of encoded value, this decoder tool can be used to decode the value. You can also find certain hash values using this tool. Scanner, it's available only in the professional version, but it is, as the name implies, it is used to scan the websites automatically. And Spider, it's basically used to automatically walk through the links in the website. So it's basically, if you take any website, if you click on each and every link on the website, that's pretty much what Spider does. We will have a lot of hands-on demos explaining each of these tools within Burp Suite.